to the music section of this tutorial. This music section tutorial is to Chungha's new song, Snapping. So if you guys wanted the explanation step-by-step part, please feel free to click in the description box below or up there. But if you just want slow speed, we're going to 75% speed, 90% speed, and of course full speed as well. So you came to the right place if that is what you wanted. And once again, I do want to apologize for not being able to be on YouTube for so long because I've been traveling and meeting family and relatives. So now I finally have the chance, and my aunt and uncle are so nice to lend me their room so I can film right now. And as usual, don't forget that this video is mirrored, and let's get started. With me. Make sure you guys click the subscribe button if you guys haven't already, and don't forget that my Instagram dance account is Felicia.covers, so make sure you guys go check me out on there because sometimes I do post questions related to my YouTube stuff on there, so make sure you guys go check me out on there. All my other social media sites will be in the description box below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you guys are always first to see my tutorials. Anyways, thank you guys so much once again. Hope to be back really soon. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!